I was going to ask the President the other day if he did have an action plan against smuggling. Are you part of this action plan? Are you part of the plan of the action plan?
Yes, ma'am.
But I know you cannot preempt the President, but can you give us a hint what it's going to be like
It's organizational reform.
in the customs,
Yes, ma'am.
overhaul,
Yes, ma'am.
revamp? All the way,
Included.
all the way, how high up?
I assume it's bureau-wide.
Yung wide, yes, how high up? How high up?
That one, ma'am, I can't preempt the President.
I can't preempt the President.
It could include me.
Yung mga hindi na nagalaw before, yung mga princess, yung sinasabi mo, the princess.
The three kings na sinasabi.
Ano, three
Three
kings?
kings.
Oh yeah, what are the three kings?
Ikaw yung king eh.
Hindi magalaw. Untouchables, untouchables.
Gagalawin na sir.
Gagalawin na lahat. If we follow one of the concepts that actually I'm a believer in, it would require legislation. Kasi yung isang concept or method that I've seen done by other countries is a complete overhaul by abolition. Parang in-abolish mo siya, put up
Yung din sa Peru, yun na rin.
It's going to be drastic. It's going to be that drastic.
We might have to do that.
No, pero what about the people who are there, mga civil service vehicles?
Yun ang challenge po ngayon.
Kasi mga career
we want a complete revamp. We want a complete revamp.
Kinariri nila yung
Pero
corruption.
may ganun.
Kinariri corruption.
Pero if it's by law, there's a way around it. But that was my point nga, that customs reform is not just about chopping off heads. Kasi traditionally, people just think, off with his head. Tapos ang problema. It's not.
Until the next head is, the next head.
Especially just looking at the commissioner of customs. And it's not that I'm defending myself. Pero you do away with me because of supposed issues of smuggling. Will it stop? Because the guys down there are the ones in the front lines. They're the ones who have the power.